while waiting, of course, we will also be entertaining our friends, mga team bahay. Later on, we will be chatting with you guys in just a little bit. Alright, so while we are setting things up, again, you guys can use our hashtags, hashtag only we know and hashtag only we know event launch.
Pero picture lang muna naman.
Okay, so again, we would like to remind everyone from our friends from the media that every couch will have a chance. So we are starting things off with couch number 1. So for those of you who are not part of couch number 1, you guys can take your seats first, as we will have 10 minutes for each couch to have a speed date with our cast and director. Ayan.
Pasa-pasa na lang po.
Oh, shoot.
Ma'am Charo and Ding Dong, paano po nag-start yung concept na magsama sa movie?
Apo. Bale, meron kaming friend na producer, mutual friend, nilang dalawa, na nag-isip nun. And then, si Dong yung lumapit sa akin na sabi ko, yun, gusto niya, tagal niya na gusto makatrabaho sa mga. So, sinama niya ako sa meeting, and then from there, nag-pitch ako ng concept sa kanila dalawa. Okay na nga. 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
Before pandemic pa.
Before pandemic pa po yung
So, nung sinabi mo kay Direct Ice na gusto mo makalaman with Charo, ito bang ganitong konsepto o kwento ang nasa isip mo or may iba ka ganang gusto pagsamahan kayo?
Ito, exactly. At syempre dahil lumaan si Direk Irene, nandiyan niya kanya yung magic touch ng kanyang storytelling. Kaya mas napaganda to.
Sinabi ko nga napakatapang ito that wanted to do this movie, this narrative with me.
At pag pinanood na po ito, ano po yung gusto nyong maging take away ng mga manonood ng movie?
Kasi nagiging iba-iba siya sa kada ibang tao. Depende sa edad ng taong nanood, depende sa pinagdadaanan niya. There are different facets in the story that they can relate to. So, I hope somehow kung hindi, it transforms them or at least there's some realization about life and love.
First time working together, can you share po ano yung mga naging, paano nabuo ang chemistry, ang mga titigan, na parang gusto na namin magpalit ng favorite love team?
Napakagaling kasi ni Direk Irene. Oo. I mean, at saka siguro ang dami naming preparasyon bago actual shooting. So when we got to the set, parang Betty na ako, Ryan na siya. At saka meron siyang pinakausap niya ako separately, pinakausap din niya si Dong separately. Tapos pag nagsama na kami sa eksena, nakukuha ng din mo anong gusto niya.
Pero ma'am, bago kayo nag-work ni Ding Dong, may friends na ba kayo or parang walang anything na connection?
As in, wala talaga.
Wala.
As in, fresh talaga yung start at yung simula. Kaya mas exciting siya on so many levels dahil syempre, alam mo yung mga ina-adjust mo sa una, di ba? Yung mga unang eksena. So, yan yung mga hindi namin magawa.
Dong, of course, we know it's Ma'am Charo, pero bakit si Ma'am Charo yung isa sa mga gusto mo makasama?
Ay, well, una-una, why not? Pero more than that, dun sa kwento talaga na naiisip na lumapag sa akin, yun talaga yung perfect na sa akin palagay because of the roles. The roles really important. Plus, sabi ko nga, and I always say this is ang mga dreams at talagang mga goals ko. Balang araw, syempre, makatrabaho ko si Ma'am Charo at nagkatotoo siya dito sa buhay.
Bakit only yun?
Kasi minsan yung pagmamahal o pag-ibig hindi mo makuhakan. Pero kayong dalawa lang nagkakaintindihan. Hindi naman lahat ng relationships na sa traditional way of, traditional yung perspective mo about love. Love is love. matter the age, the status in life, kung ano mang estado, kung ano man ang edad, kung ano man pinanggalingan mo. So, yung dalawang tao involved dun sa love relationship, sila lang talaga ang nakakaintindi ng damdamin nila para sa isa't
So,
isa.
hindi kailangan may definition, hindi kailangan may title.
Hindi kailangan may label, o hindi kailangan may definition. Yung nararamdaman mo lang, di ba? Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Nung sabi ni Ding Dong, dream niyang makatrabaho. Kayo po ba naisip niya rin before na gusto niya rin makatrabaho?
He was never in my consciousness. Siguro dahil nasa ABS-CBN ako, di ba? And I was running the entertainment division of the company. So, ang focus ko talaga yung mga talents ng ABS. But he came parang when he started doing movies for Star Cinema, nakita ko yung growth niya and maturity niya sa actor. And the first and only time I met him before this project was pitched was when he came to my office where I pitched also a story idea to him. Pero to this day nga, hindi pa nagagawa yun. So yun lang, it was a very professional meeting between a producer and a talent. Ganon lang.
Tapos dito pa na mag-e-end up sa ganito.
Oo, tapos dito pa na mag-end up. Noong panahon na yun, I'm sure hindi mo pa naiisip na makatrabaho. Ako rin, di ba? Kasi I had a corporate job to do. Tapos siya naman, very young, and di ba?
So after getting to know each other po sa film na po, ano po yung tumatak sa isa't isa?
Sa akin, that he takes his craft serious. Seryoso siya sa ginagawa niya. Klaro ang vision niya for himself and his career. He works hard. He works hard. He's very dedicated to his craft. And on the personal side, he's a real gentleman.
Medyo na traditional yung love team nyo. So, paano nyo po na-build yung chemistry para to act in this movie?
Ayun, yung kagaya nung sinabi na yung share kanina, yun, a lot of prep work. Mahabang usapan, mahabang script reading din, and then, yun nga, dealing with their characters separately para organic. Yung pagdating sa set, nagkakakilanlan sila until hanggang sa yung mag-develop yung love.
Dong, coming from the very, very successful Rewind, do you feel any pressure right now?
Hindi, sagutin ko muna yung tumatak. Kasi mahalaga sa akin. Siyempre, pag shooting, kung may experience ka, doon pa lang kakaiba na yung aking mga life experiences every day as when we were shooting. Siyempre, marami akong natututunan sa kanya kahit na hindi niya literally tinuturo sa akin just by observing. Marami akong kukuha dahil sa inspirasyon sa lahat ng sinasabi. But more importantly, ang na-realize ko ay he's a very generous person. And when I say generous, hindi siya madamot sa ideas, hindi siya madamot sa kwento. In fact, ang dami namin na pag-usapan about life in general. Yung 200 films na nagawa niya, medyo nasa sideline lang yan. Pero about life in general. So para talaga siyang teacher of life. Siyempre dahil sa lawak na ng kanyang experience, lawak na ng kanyang mga nagawa, especially in our industry. So yeah, that's something that I will really value. Na hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa makukuha yung pagkakataon. Kahit sabihin mo siguro nagkatrabaho not in the film. Let's say kahit in a meeting, hindi ko naman makukuha yun. Pero dahil we were together for days, weeks, and until now we work together and promoting the film in different countries. I just appreciate the fact that I learned so much. And that she's so generous enough to impart these values, not just to Nino, but also sa lahat ng tao on set. That is very direct.
What is your friendship like at this point? What is your friendship like at this point?
I think at this point, it still continues to evolve dahil parang sa pakiramdam ko, entry point lang yun.
Yeah.
Malad ako na nagkaroon kami ng ganitong connection. Because on and off cam, and I'm sure even off cam, marami pa kaming magagawa. You know,
Out to all of our friends from the media from couch number 1. We are now done with our first group of our speed date. All right, so our cast and director may now proceed to couch number 2. There you go.
Marami
Thank you so
silang-
much, couch number 1.
Marami silang
So we have given them a total of 10 minutes for every couch for their speed
She's ready to
date.
listen.
There you go.
Yes. She's always ready to listen to our opinion, our thoughts, our ideas, even our fears.
All right, once again, our first couch for our speed date time is up.
Is it possible
Only 10 minutes per couch. So now our cast and director may now move on to couch number 2.
For an older person to fall in love with a younger, yeah, of course.
Thank you po.
Going back to my question, do you feel any pressure coming from Rewind?
Kasi kahit naman nung si Rewind, never naman naging gano'n yung mindset namin. Ang mindset namin ay gusto namin isang pelikula na gusto na mamahalin namin dahil sa kwento, dahil sa characters. At bonus yun kung ano man ang mangyari pagkatapos. Ganon din ang yung commitment natin sa
Thank you, table number 1.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much to couch number 1 and our friends from the media who are We are now moving on to couch number 2 with our cast and our director. Ayan. Once again, this is a speed date. So kailangan naman talaga mabilis yung pag-get to know natin kay Betty and Ryan and kay Direct Irene.
Janice, speed
medyo may
dating.
pa-pressure. Nakaka-pressure talaga yung speed dating Never ko pa na-experience.
Thank you po. Thank you.
But couch number 2, I am very excited for you guys to experience it. Again, only 10 minutes per couch. So now we are here at round number 2. Kakatapos lang po ng round number 1.
Hi.
And I believe we have a total of 6 couches. Yes, ayan. So far, 2 out of 6 na ang couches natin who have experienced speed dating with Betty, Ryan, and Direct Irene.
working together.
We hope everyone is enjoying, by the way, also dito sa Team Online. Don't forget to use our hashtags. Hashtag only we know and hashtag only we know lunch.
Yeah, masayang syempre masaya siyang proseso.
So again, comment down below guys.
Anytime
Yung
naman
mga
na may
tinanong ko sa inyo
bagong
kanina,
experience,
diba? Are labels important to you?
combination.
Yes or no?
It's always a great experience.
Love to hear your
Learn from
comments
each
down below.
other.
Diba? Napaka-ano talaga. Like what I mentioned earlier. So
Ay, sabi nga nila, there's always a first time.
We have here a quick
And I
preview.
would say that this is a beautiful
Couch number
first time
2.
at least for me.
For Miss Irene po, direct parang nakwento niyo po last time na parang it took years pa bago po ito film or release. Kamusta po that finally that tinawag itong destiny for the film na ma-release na po ngayon?
Ayun, sabi namin yung t-shirt namin nung last date is nakalagay. Dahil wala pa siyang title, ang nakalagay lang sa t-shirt namin, we're doing a movie about waiting. So, now that the wait is almost over, dahil ipapalabas na kami sa June 11, ayun, syempre exciting and it's always, sa hinaba-haba ng prosesyon, sa tagumpay nawa, matuloy.
Sa tagumpay naman.
Why is it like this kind of story? Parang soft siya na medyo may patagong suntok at the end yung napili niyo po para po kay Miss Charo and Sir Dion.
Naisip siya, marami siyang pinagdaanan bago na, pero yung germ ng concept it's that kind of it's that kind of love between an older woman and a younger man. Pero kung ano yung klaseng pag-ibig na yon, na-develop siya through the years and then nakatulong kung ano yung meron sa mundo, kung ano yung pakiramdam natin ngayon sa panahon, at sana makita yun sa pelikula kasi yun talaga yun yung laman ng pelikula. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
There is always stereotyping in relationships, di ba? And you're dealing with maid-center affair in this movie, di ba? Are you breaking the rules in this movie?
Sana panoorin ninyo para makita ninyo kung ano yung without spoiling it too much, it's really that, no, yung sinasabing no labels and or no definition. Dahil sanay tayo sa society, yun na nga, mag-stereotype, pag may nakikita tayong magkasama, uy, ganyan sila, or ganyan sila, uy, ano yung mga yan? Parang gano'n. We're always curious about other person's lives, but what do we really know about relationships? So,
Why can you not tell us straight kung ano yung ano?
Spoiler kasi
Spoiler siya.
Oo, spoiler siya. Pero
Spoiler on your part, not on our part.
not on your part. Yeah. On my part kasi madamot ako. Charot. Hindi. Ano naman, so experience siya eh. That's why you have to experience it in the cinema, you have to experience the story because of course, it's a journey of life and love and soul. So, mahirap siyang tukuyin. Katulad ng iba kong pelikula lagi.
Miss Sharon, women who are in May December affair are always ostracized, di ba?
Yes.
They are always looked upon with condescension, di ba? Will you be sure na after this movie, mag-iba yung tingin sa women in an May December affair?
May iba
I'm
na
asking Miss Char.
Ayan, sorry. Kasi parang malaking bubog ko doon.
Malaki yung...
Go na.
Oo, malaki yung bubog ni Direk Irene doon. Parang, it's human nature to judge. I think, the world will still judge, whether you like it or not. But I think the world also has become more understanding and more, has shown more empathy to the non-traditional kind of relationships. Mas bukas na, mas naiintindihan, mas accepting. So, but the reality exists that the world will always be, there will always be people who will judge you, no matter what you do.
There are so many May December affairs, movies or television shows na napalabas na. How is it different from all of those? Paano siya nag-iba? Because kung hindi siya may iba, it's just one of those, right?
Yeah. So it's for everyone to experience it. There's a soulful experience. It's for some of the people who have seen it, they say it's very immersive. Para kang pumapasok sa kwento ng dalawang magkaibigan na nagkakilala, and then naging lang sila, open to their own vulnerabilities. It's a slice of life. It's nothing big, very nuanced, but there's deep emotional vulnerability in the characters.
Ding Dong, you always go out of your comfort zone. Is this one of those?
Yes. When I choose roles, I want to take on roles that really challenge me. And si Ryan, pangalan ng character dito, isa sa mga yun. Kasi ano siya, super broken character. Kaya, and I mean, pati sa yung physicality niya, that's something that I really experimented on. So, type ko yung mga medyo uncomfortable yung mga roles. Dahil uncomfortable din because of the emotional baggage na dala ng character.
One last question. What do you put at least by doing this assignment?
Parang, ay, ako?
Both of you.
Oo, sige. I think yung risk dito ay kapag hindi ginawa. Because that was the feeling that we got when we read the script. Na parang it is too beautiful not to. So parang kung hindi siya gawin, parang yan yung greatest what if ng aming career siguro, ng buhay namin. What if na sa panahong ito, kung kailan mas marami ng open sa different types of relationships, kahit may labels o wala, kasi hindi ay pinalipas namin. So yun siguro yung yung pinaka para sa amin yung risk siguro maaari kung sakaling hindi na.
Miss Chara?
I think if you're an artist and you're true to your craft at kaya mo and you believe in the story, the narrative, and you appreciate the journey of the character, there's nothing at risk. You're an actor, and an actor should be open. I'm not saying ready to do everything, but at least open to considering looking at other characters and getting out of one's comfort zone.
Question po sa akin for our
Last
cast.
question na po.
Apo. Parang yung trailer po, it gives like a message of private but not secret yung kanilang relationship.
Alright, so we would like to announce once again for round number 2 that you have 1 minute left for our speed date.
Minsan mas maganda yung may
Yes.
mga bagay
Okay,
na
actually,
kayo
we would like to wrap things
But
up
again,
now.
this
Time is now up
movie
for
is
round
about
number
us
2.
letting you into our
There you
lives.
go.
So,
Again,
it's all about
speed
that
date po ito,
experience.
so
Kaya
medyo
hindi kayo
mabilis po yung
makapagantay na
pag-interview
pasukin niyo
ko.
yung bahay ni Betty at ni Ryan.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go po.
Ayan, thank you so much to our cast and director for joining our second group for our interview. Thank you so much to our second couch as well. I'm sure everyone had fun. Ayan. There you go. And it's now time to proceed to couch number 3. I hope all our friends from the media are having so much fun. But then for those of you who are not part of the interviews yet, you guys can head on over to our food and desserts table and get some refreshments as well. Carrot pinchos and donut wall by Hazel. So while our cast are preparing to go to couch number 3, we would like to remind everyone that we can't wait na mapanood na ang film na to in cinemas starting June 11 nationwide. Got just a few more weeks until only we know showing out in the Philippines. And June 10 po yung ating movie premiere sa SM Mega Mall. We can't wait to see you there as well. Alright, so our cast is now, and our director as well, are now seated sa couch number 3, our third round for our speed dating with our friends from the media.
First question.
So time
What's the main thing
starts
that you
now.
learned from playing Betty and Ryan, whether as actors or in the aspect of relationships?
But when you go with the flow, you find happiness.
Kay Ryan naman, sometimes there is value in being still.
Alright, so once again, we have here so while waiting for our audio to switch on over to our live stream. We can't wait for everyone to watch.
mahirap maging patient,
Earlier we
but
saw that we had an
it's the
official
virtue
or
that
advanced screening for our friends from
Something
the
happens
industry,
while-
our TV and film industry, our influencers.
When it comes to challenges naman po, what were the challenges, if meron po, that did you face in playing the characters of Betty and Ryan?
Challenges.
Kasama na kasi yun eh, getting into the deepest recesses of our emotions, di ba? Yung parang letting go of your fear. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Kasi it's when you let go and when you become open that you're most real. Yeah.
Kayo po, sir.
Same. Oh, same. Kasi hindi yung journey ng parehong characters.
If I may know, how did you access those emotions? It sounds like a very
So, nag-flashback lang sila.
Walk in the park na naman.
No. No, but you know, I've been through the ups and downs of life, and then when you go through life and you mature and you grow up, you transcend a lot of fears. You become your more authentic self. Mas real yung namnam mo sa mga emotions. So, you just have to dig in as an actor. You have to dig in the core form mo as a person, and therefore you bring that to the character.
Merong malaking factor para sa amin sa Magda. yung binigay ni Direk Irene na collaborative space, dahil halimbawa yung character ni Ryan, hindi man nangyayari sa akin absolutely or entirely lahat ng nangyari sa kanya. Maraming mga references na binigay sa Direk na pinagpapasalamat ko dahil kung hindi, medyo kakapa ako, di ba, mag-iimbento. But dahil naging klaro sa kanya yung gusto niya, yung vision niya, then binigay niya yung space sa amin to create, then nabuo nung shooting na yun, yung magic of what.
Yeah, I want to give credit to Direk Irene. Diba? As a writer and director, she was in full control of her narrative.
So, from that po, for Direk Irene, you've worked on different love stories already. What do you think makes this film different from the previous ones? Or do you have any inspiration in directing this movie?
Yung friend ko na mahilig manood ng mga pelikula ko, lagi siyang galit sa lahat ng lalaki sa mga pelikula ko. So, this is the first time na sinabi niya, hindi siya galit sa male character. So, I think maturity rin sa akin. So, kaya siya iba kasi baka nag-iba tingin ko sa lalaki at sa mundo. It's a more mature story. And isang, sabi ko nga, nung napanood ko yung final cut, nung alas 2 ng madaling araw na pareho ko silang tinext, na sinabi ko, parang, yung iba kong dating pelikula, may ego pa ako. And ito, parang tinanggal lahat yun. Tinanggal lahat. It's just a more giving film. It's more of, not what we can take, but what we can give. Yung ano. Hindi na siya masyadong galit.
Very hopeful.
Very hopeful.
Direct question po. Tingin niyo po, mas mahihirapan kayong gumawa ng kwento if the gender roles were reversed, yung mas matanda yung lalaki kaysa babae?
Hindi naman. Kasi nasa kung ano yung material pa rin naman yun eh. Hindi siya dapat maging mahirap. Kung ano yung mas mahirap. Ang mas mano doon is paano mo bubuuin yung kwento. Yung proseso yung mas pinaka-challenge rather than kung ano yung mas madali o mas mahirap.
Tapos follow-up question ko, nung ginawa niyo po yung kwento, do you have the actors in mind?
Sila na po.
Sila na po talaga yung naisip
Nandun na
yung
po.
mag-play.
Magic si Direk.
I guess you're bouncing I think I overheard the story or the project was 7 years ago. How has the project evolved since then? Since it's a very current story. Parang usang relationships na medyo ang labels and whatnot, yung mga ganong modern labels. So, medyo surprising to hear na 7 years na siya. So, it's so current. So, how has it evolved?
Yung core ng kwento, hindi siya masyadong nagbago. But the form, maybe the aesthetics, marami nagbago siya throughout. In fact, originally we were supposed to shoot in Cuba. So, but that was pre-pandemic. So imagine, and dami na nagbago in terms of consciousness, sense kay Direk. Dapat si Direk Bawat kasi yung pananaw niya, Direk, please.
Yeah, the evolution ng philosophy ng buong habang nagmamature. Kasi iba rin yung ginawa sa atin na outside forces, di ba? That we don't belong to just ourselves anymore. Parang nasaan tayo sa mas malawak na konteksto ng lipunan, ano yung pakiramdam, gano'n. So parang nandun siya sa mas transformative experience.
Siguro last question po, since we're talking about relationships, what do you think about situationships in general or relationships that don't have a specific label? Are you for it or against it, like personally?
I'm okay with it.
Mas naintindihan ko sila after doing the film. Kasi as actors, we get to experience different people. So, like si Ryan is a completely different person. So, may bagong perspective. Kasi parang kinailangan unawaan namin bakit ganun yung choices niya. And for you to do that, kailangan mas malalim na pag-unawa about everything around you, about relationships, about how you feel love. So parang nagkaroon ako ng bagong, parang may new appreciation. Bakit? May ganito pala. Situationships, etc. So, actually that's what the film is all about. That's why I hope maraming makapanood, especially for people in a similar situation.
Hindi siya
Alright, we are down to our last minute for our round 3 of our speed dating with our cast
Maraming,
director.
maraming Gen Z na gustuhan siya eh. Parang, wow! Natuwa naman ako sa mga Gen Z na parang mas iba rin silang mag-isip.
You've seen the trailer.
Yes.
What is
How do you feel?
Light-hearted po siya parang.
Light-hearted.
Parang magaan.
Masasabi namin, basta.
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 There's beyond. There's something beyond the dream.
Naka-relatable po kasi may kakilala rin ako.
All right, for round number 3, time is now up.
Oo, sana pa yun. Bring your friends kasi
We only have a
you
total
can see
of
your
10
future.
minutes per
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Dito na lang po tayo dumaan.
So speed date talaga, guys. Yes. And our speed dating continues as our casting director may now head on over to couch number 4. That's our online viewers. Please stand by for a short break.
Nagwa-world tour tayo. World tour.
Sofa tour.
Oo, sofa tour.
Hello po, kay Derek. Deliberate po ba yung, kasi yung promo may pagka-mysterious siya. So deliberate po ba yung mga ganun labas ninyo?
Yeah, it's deliberate. I mean, kudos to the promo team na yun yung angulo dahil gusto naming ma-experience ninyo, ma-curious enough and ma-experience ninyo yung buong pelikula. Kasi ano talaga siya eh. Lagi sinasabi, di ba, na parang experiential yung cinema, ganyan-ganyan. Ito, totoo siya. Totoo siya. Ano siya talaga, kailangan mo siyang masimulan, makasama ka sa journey nila.
And sa Sirenaya kasi i-tackle depression, yung contrast ng working class. Ano po yung i-discuss dito sa Only We Know?
Oh, it's the questions that you arrive at when you're alone.
Ayun na.
Nag-isip ka na.
It's your life questions when kapag kaharap mo yung sarili mo, ano yung mga tanong mo. So ito yun.
Okay, Miss Charo, I'm sure a lot of actors want to be in Tom's shoes right now. What makes him the perfect Ryan? Perfect actor to play Ryan
I
character.
think he was the only actor considered for the role by director from day one.
And what was in Ding Dong that was eksakto na yun yung hinahanap ko dun sa role?
It's ano kasi si Dong eh, he's a man's man. Kung mayroon girl's girl, he's a man's man. He's a perfect gentleman. Pero marami siya yung depth. Kumbaga, sabi nga ano siya, ayun. And of course, it's that character, yung quiet, and nag-i-exude sa kanya. Quiet but maraming bitbit.
Doon naman laro
Betty is an English literature teacher. So, parang, of course, kasi sabi nga ni Dong kanina dun sa isang couch na Ma'am Charo has been parang teacher of life na siya. Kasi sa dami na napagdaanan niya yung experiences. So, she's the perfect Betty to bring yung what she has as a person and as an actor doon sa role.
yung only
Yeah. And sila na talaga from the beginning. So sila na talaga from the beginning. So it wasn't like a choice na gano'n. Sila na yung nasa isip.
Did you make a story with them?
Yeah.
7 years ago. 7 years ago when it was first pitched.
So your reaction when you learned that kayo nang inisipan sa wala
Wow, para sa akin kasi sa bucket list ko yun. Nakagawa ko si Ma'am Charo.
Bucket list ka
Hindi kasi di ba parang kaya posibleng mangyari yun. And sa tingin ko nga, hindi rin 7 years ago may mga dahilan din talaga. And I just mas tama yung panahon. Video para gawin.
Question, why? Bakit sumama?
Kasi nagawa namin siya ng swap na walang interruption, walang naisip masyado, hindi yung usually may ganun. Pero kasi super smooth sailing. Ito namin mula umpisa. Nagulat nga ako, tapos na.
We finished the film in 13 days. 13 days. Pachada. Yeah. Mindful.
Kasi ang team ng so, who are very
One word. Parang ganun ba yun?
One word?
not really one.
Not
Short description.
I can call them so.
Actually,
Ayaw ibigay.
Teacher of life.
parang kailangan nila.
At one point, Ryan.
Kahit hindi younger. Soulmate.
Pero younger.
Yeah, maybe in some other forms, maybe not to consider your relationship. Wala naman. Kasi si Betty kay Ryan is so much more than just that's most of it. There's so many more elements to it. Very happy siya para sa akin. Siya na rin daw sa Batang Lolo ng pelikula. Natapos yung edit. Sobrang proud ko. Pinanood ko siya. Sobrang gusto ko na na-appreciate. Tinawagan niya agad si Perry. Mapanood doon mas maraming tao. At sa sinihan ka. So, ganun siya nakaling na naniniwala.
And when we met each other in an she personally told me she really liked it.
Table to, kumaga this is your first time to work together. How do you work on your chemistry on stage?
Siguro dahil we did a lot of preparation. Dami namin pag-uusap directly. Parang even before we did our first day of filming, parang na-inhabit na namin yung character. So,
Tukoy ninyo kung ano yung...
sabi ko.
kung ano yung hinihingi ng eksena, di ba? Binibigay lang namin as characters. Tapos tinitimpla na lang ni Direk. Si Direk na lang ang tumitimpla.
Dahil first time you two to work together, ang title mo, Only We Know, diba? Pwede po ba namin malaman kung ano yung only we know sa bawat isa? Nung nakapagtrabaho kayo, yung movie na siya. Nung natapos na siya. Para we know na.
Well,
Para yung discoveries.
para ano yung mga pwede namin i-review? Discovery.
Discoveries sa each other. Na si Ma'am Charo pala, ganito.
Si Ma'am Charo pala ay kalog. Si Ma'am Charo pala ay nahilig sa chichirya. Kahit anong chichirya. Si Ma'am Charo pala ay sobrang agang dumadating sa set. Kasi talagang unahan niya lahat. Kasi, nakapahan.
Akala niya maaga na siya. Pagdating niya sa set na na.
Oo.
On time naman siya, hindi siya late.
Maaga lang po kayo.
Maaga lang ako.
Pero ngayon, on time. is late.
Si Ma'am Charo naman po about the movie.
Paminsan-minsan, pumapasa naman yung jokes. Akala niya, he's a great leader.
Iyari na naman.
Pero, pag nagka-crack siya ng joke, talagang titingin ako sa kanya. Funny na yun. Pero,
Okay, last 1 minute for round number 4 of our speed date.
Working together po. May mga scene na po ba na medyo na-awkward or hindi po emotionally challenging? And how you handle it? Pero may mga nakwento lang.
hindi, ikaw. Ikaw ang ano sa amin.
Parang yung mga first parts kasi dahil it was shot na parang halos kung paano rin sa chronological sa pelikula. So the first parts where they were parang making tapa sa isa't isa, nakatulong sa yung awkwardness kasi kasama siya doon sa development. Emotional. Marami silang emotional scenes. So marami silang.
Do you have any unforgettable?
Pati camera na hindi na kasi. Para abangan din po dun sa pelikula. Pero not giving too much about the scenes.
Para sa akin yung tent. Kasi
Alright, so once again, we would like to announce that round number 4, time is
You saw
up.
that in the teaser, di ba? The tennis scene.
Pero gusto namin malaman kung ano ang genre ng film.
Group 5, we would like to ask those part of couch number 5 to please stand by and prepare your seats.
thank you. Salamat.
Laban natin.
Thank you so much to group number 4. Our cast and director may now proceed to couch number 5. Prepare na po yung mga questions ninyo for Betty and Ryan. Yung mga ano naman,
Ano po yung pinakamagandang tanong sa lahat?
Betty and Ryan and Direct Irene.
Thank you, Charo. Hi, Dog.
Alright, last to introduce couch number 5. And we only have 6 couches. 10 minutes per couch.
Na yung mga ano na.
Our speed date introduces our friends from the media and our cast and director only.
Pa-clip na lang po.
Yes,
Don, ikaw na mauna.
So, kamusta yung experience mo?
Sigurado ka doon. Sabihin ko ba? Ma'am Charo, sabi ni Natalie, siya daw ang target market.
Talaga.
May tanong tayo, no?
Panoorin mo ulit, Natalie, magsama ka
Don.
Di Ma'am Charo,
Napanood na.
Ding Dong, ang kanina pinag-usapan namin, may intimate scenes pa kayo.
Define
Isip
intimate.
na. Kissing scene.
Ayan, diretso na kasi 10 minutes lang.
And Ma'am Charo, if ever na binigay talaga yung kissing scene, go for it. Go.
If ever.
Yes,
Depende sa context. Yung kissing scene. Kailangan nasa konteksto ng kwento. Tama.
Pero meron po dito.
Yes, kuya, maganda.
Kasi parang yun ang inaabangan ng mga
Kasi it's romance.
Gusto mo ba?
Ding Dong, ano yung nasabi mo dyan?
Oh, only we know.
Talagang pa-surprise.
Ma-surprise. Pagkatapos siguro mag-usap tayo ulit. Pag napanood nyo
Ay, hindi, ganun yan.
Napanood na ni Natalie.
Ah.
Kinuwento na nga. Charot.
May pumirma kami.
Pirma kami, ah.
May spoiler.
Pero before this movie, ano yung impression niyo muna sa isa't isa? And then during the filming, nagbago ba yung tingin niyo sa isa't isa?
Ako ang impression ko sa kanya is being a very good actor. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nakasama ever, di ba? So, nasa ABS ako, nasa GMA siya. Yeah, but I saw him grow and mature as an actor. Tapos mas nakilala ko siya yung confidence niya, yung galing niya as an actor when he appeared in several Star Cinema movies. Until one day, I met up with him in my office to pitch a story concept. Pero hindi natuloy yun. And then the next time I met him was when this project was pitched to both of us.
yung impression.
Impression, okay.
Kasi syempre
okay,
sinabing Charo Santos parang...
Sorry. Yung impression ko sa kanya ay Charo Santos. Yung siya talaga yung she's an industry the woman behind the success of great company and also the woman behind the success of even talents, great talents and great actors. So, inamin ko rin naman sa kanya na may konting takot. Isa kasi parang syempre, it was like walking into the vision of my life. Parang kailangan, sana pumasa sa kanya ano yung ibibigay ko dito sa role na to, character na to. But again, ito ay mga initial impression. Lahat naman tayo may ganun. Pero to my surprise, and ito, I was pleasantly surprised kasi hindi niya pinayagang mangyari yung ganong klaseng yung para ma-intimidate or may ganong klaseng fear kasi she really allowed me to be myself and to explore the role na wala hesitation. So talagang in-encourage niya ako. I always say that her presence is very calming and compelling. Pero never to the point na ituturuan siya kung paano gagawin ito. Walang ganun. Kaya talagang nagawa ko yung kailangan kong gawin. And for that, I'm very, very grateful.
So anong feeling na nagkaroon ka ng chance na magkaroon ng intimate scene with Ma'am Charo? Intimate, like for example, yung poster, medyo intimate yung dating.
Yeah, yun nga. Yun kaya din ako definition ng intimacy. Maraming
mga titigan moment and yung dancing, yung mga ganon diba?
Talagang
So intimate na rin ang term doon.
You're taking note.
Tatanong namin kay Direk kung gaano katindi yung intimacy na inabot.
Yeah, like what I said, sabi nga niya. So hinayaan niya yung space na maging safe for everybody. Si Direk. Just do what you want, diba? Gawin niya yung mga rules niya na tama. At we will have fun. So yun ang nangyari. We just became ourselves. I mean, as Betty and Ryan. At nagawa namin siya ng komportable.
Direk, gaano ka-importante? Intimacy.
Intimacy.
Kahit wala kasi nasabi,
Kahit wala
diba?
kasi nasabi.
In-assume talaga na.
Meron ditong hubaran
Okay.
ng kaluluwa. Importante yun. Importante yun.
Direk, saan kayo na-challenge sa movie nito?
Sa personality ng lalaki or...
Oo, syempre yung hindi lang pinapahalata, syempre yung mga ganon, no? Bawal yung sabihin na ano ka, parang ganon. Pero, syempre parang tama ba? I mean, i-judge ba nila ako pag ganito yung sinabi ko? Parang marunong ba talaga akong mag-direct ng ganyang kalibreng mga artista? Yung mga ganon. So, maraming takot. More on takot kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Parang ganon. So, ang pinanghahawakan ko na lang, syempre, their professionalism and their caliber, yung experiences nila as actors, and of course the material. Parang mas dun kasi ako nasanay. Basta meron akong magandang kwento, okay na ako, parang gano'n dapat. So dun ako kumuha ng tapan.
So wala ka naman natanggap na beer, ayun.
Pero they're very collaborative po. So marami po silang may mga nakuha ko from them. May mga Dear Irene sila.
Talaga?
Pero ano na yun, text, phone call.
At saka siyempre malumanay pa rin, if ever.
Malumanay.
Very sweet pa rin.
Very sweet, very sweet.
May tanong si Nas. Yes, ma'am.
There was a lot of trust and respect for each other. So that's why, and we also trusted the process. We just let go. We knew we were doing a great story.
Ang Charo dun sa scene na yun, parang umiinom si Ding Dong o si Ryan. Did you have to drink also?
Yeah.
Oh, how was it?
Nadulasan ng ano.
Did you have to get drunk?
Ganda ng scene na yun.
Marami kaming na-introduce kay Ma'am Charo.
Like ano?
Marami.
Ewan ko na
Beer, wine, gin.
How was it getting drunk? Or tipsy? Or buzz?
Happy siya.
Happy lang.
Happy pala siya.
Oo. Happy ako, tsaka tawa ng tawa. Tapos magkwento. Happy. Happy and vibe.
Ding Dong, kamusta yung vibe na medyo tipsy at buzz?
Ay, grabe. one of the most unforgettable scenes. Ibang klase yun.
Ito ba yung mga hubaran ng kaluluwa?
Umpisa nung kubaran.
Talaga. Napatanong ni Natalie, Ma'am Charo, kung ano daw ang magiging reaction mo pag may nagpag-gusto sa yung young actor.
Theoretically.
Theoretical.
Or hypothetically. I'm sorry.
Hypothetical.
Okay.
Or na-experience nyo na po.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi sinasabi sa
Hindi sinasabi.
Baka natakot.
Baka natakot na naman.
Alright, last 2 minutes
Pero-
for
Oh my God.
our
Ano
fifth
opinion
round
sa
of our speed dating.
Mga ganong relationships. Yung mga may isang younger na, tapos dong older woman.
Kung ano raw opinion and reaction nyo sa mga ganong relationship.
What young is too young, what old is too old.
You're asking me?
Yes.
Hindi, younger.
Oo. Kasi younger sa
Okay lang.
Ako, depende naman yan sa ano level ng connection. Super deep connection. Doesn't matter.
Daw ka na yung naging reaction ni Mario nung malaman niya. Kakatrabaho kayo ni Ma'am Cha.
Very, very happy. In fact, siya ang isa sa unang nakapanood ng file. At nung pinanood ko sa kanya, sobrang siya yung pelikula. Next is Direk Ivy. Tapos sabi niya, she loves the film. And maybe because nakarelate siya as a woman, so ganun kalakas yung naging portrayal ni Mary na nag-resonate sa kanya. At ang wish nga niya ay sana mas maraming makapanood at sa cinema siya ipalabas na mangyayari na yan.
Parang nakita mo rin siguro yung future ni Marian Rivera. True. Kasi nakita mo naman si Charo.
Crush na crush. Marian will always have her Ryan.
Pero Ma'am Charo, sharing naman your beauty tips. Kasi ang ganda mo talaga sa film.
Must be the
How do you stay parang gloomy,
happy lang, di ba?
Ano, like happy? Saan mo nakukuha yung happiness mo?
Si Cinco Mas.
Sa Cinco Mas.
Yun yung kinakain mo lang, Ma'am Charo.
Hindi. Diyos ko, I love to eat. Lalo na breakfast food.
Alright, now we would like to announce that time is up for round number 5 of our
Siguro it's my me
interview.
time. I've always taken care of people all my life. Now it's my me time. Baka.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Director. I know ang super interesting ng interview. I'm very thank you. Yung couch number 5. Thank you so much. And now our speed date is now headed over to our last and final group or couch number 6. Our casting director.
Record, yan mo na.
Number 6.
Sige, off. Off.
Off the record this time.
Tanong na.
Is he a good kisser?
Daming
Panoorin mo.
material. Daming material.
Hindi ako makakasagot niya.
Don't thank you.
Meron, charot.
Okay, mag-synthesis tayo.
Iba po na ba? Ang ganda ng... Kaya pa yan.
Hi, Sir Dong.
Hi.
Bon po.
Hi, Bon.
Jane Garcia po from A to Z.
Rolling na kayo.
Anytime.
3, 2, 1.
Hi po. First po, can you tell us about your role in this film?
I'm Betty. I play the role of a retired English literature teacher. Separated from her husband, living alone, but she's happy.
Sir Dino.
I play the role of Brian. So he's a grieving man who's always with you.
So, how did you prepare your role
Direk, how did you prepare the story for
them?
Sir Dong and Susan?
Mahaba siyang research into the parang yung characters nila Kasi kung ano ba yung grief sa part ng character ni Ryan, ano ba yung ibig sabihin na parang if you're retired na and living your life, what comes next. So mga ganung klaseng preparation sa research, and of course collaborating with them on the script na parang continue siya na sinusulat, nakailang drafts kami because of their input.
Miss Charo, Suyong, what are your takeaways portraying your respective roles dito sa Only Women?
Okay. Take-away sa... Siguro take-away sa kung gaano kahalaga magkaroon ng connection sa isang tao. Not necessarily now. Depende sa tatawag sa
Platonically.
Kasi it has to be a deep connection. Because kung medyo superficial lang siya, medyo mababaw sa usap. Parang hindi siya worth it para sa isang tao. Naghahanap talaga, thirsty ba sa isang ganong klaseng connection. So, pag nahanap po yung taong yun, I think hindi na magiging mahalaga kung ano itatawag niyo sa isa't isa. Dahil baka higit pa nga sa isang label ang magiging takbo ng inyong samahan. That's why we thought parang nababagay sa panahon when people ask about your situations. Kaya minsan ang hirap niyang i-define, but you can just say, or you can just simply say, only we know. And even the title, it just came naturally. It just came out because when we were doing it, we didn't have a title in mind. We called it a movie about waiting. So bigla dumating naturally, hindi siya pinilit. So, aside from giving that, I hope sila makuha mas malalim din na pagka-relate sa characters. Bukod lang din sa label na because it's way deeper than that. So that's the experience we want to share with everyone.
So, very nakaka-excite itong itong movie nyo. So, what is the challenging part ng film? Since, syempre, si Sir Dingdong medyo mas bata, may mga ganong instances ba na parang nagkakailangan kayo ni Ma'am Charo or Ma'am Charo?
Never nagkaroon.
Wow.
Baka dahil si Ryan at saka si Betty hindi rin nila naramdaman yun. But alam mo, lahat naman merong awkward stage sa pag-uwi bago kilala. May gano'n naman yun, but pagkatapos yun, wala na talaga. Boom! Talagang smooth na lang.
Tsaka ang takeaway ko talaga dito sa pelikula is huwag matakot maging totoo sa sarili mo. Live your life the way you want to live it. Basta wala kang kinakapakan, diba? Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo.
Ma'am, susugin ko na yan because 3 years ko na namin napapanood as Tindeng. Gaano kaiba si Betty kay Tindeng dito? Anong Charo Santos yung mapapanood namin dito?
Gaano kaiba? Parang kasi silang matapang parehong buong loob. Parehong alam nila yung gusto nila sa buhay. Anong kaibahan? English literature teacher.
Si Betty.
Oo, si Tindeng, laking Quiapo. So street smart, di ba? Pero yung core nila as characters, pareho.
Ako po ay not just as actors or artists, but as producers as well. Your thoughts po on the evolving way of storytelling. Kasi yun yung kino-comment when ninabas yung teaser at yung trailer. Kakaiba raw, may something na nag-evolve sa storytelling. You, Direk Irene, as the director and writer, your thoughts on the evolving style of storytelling in Philippine cinema nowadays?
Natutuwa ako na parang mas nagiging open, nakikita ng mga tao na maraming klase ng kwento at maraming iba't ibang paraan ng pagkikwento. So, ayun, sobra akong, sana this, parang ma-experience sana sa cinema. Kasi syempre, we know what's happening with our cinemas and we want this kind of stories na parang, of course, we can't compete with the epic stories ng mga Hollywood, di ba? Parang ganon, action. Pero tayo, yung pagiging Pilipino natin, ay puso talaga tayo eh. Puso, pakikipagkapwa. So, parang ano yung mga ganon and turn it into a cinematic experience. So, natutuwa ako na evolving din yung audience And filmmakers have to rise up to that evolution. So I always try that, and along with other filmmakers na kasama, yun naman yung pangarap. Yun naman yung pangarap. Maging mas yun nga, sa immersive yung cinema experience ng mga tao at makakurot tayo sa puso at maging worth it yung pagpunta sa sinihan.
Miss Charo, as a film producer since the 80s, Himala, Item, and up to now, the storytelling evolving na talaga ngayon.
Oo, nakakatuwa. Oo, na mas daring, di ba? The creatives are willing to take more risks. Kasi ang audience naghahanap din ng nagbagong timpla. Ang dami mo kasing mapapagpilian ngayon. There's so much available content on the digital platform. And so, if you want to stand out, you have to offer something different and unique. So this is really a challenge to our creatives.
Speaking of risk, Sir Dong, how did your production take a risk on this story, on this movie?
Sa tingin ko yung only risk namin dito ay kung hindi namin ginawa siya at all. Because that's how much we believe in the material. And sobrang agree ako sa sinabi nilang dalawa. We all have to constantly think of new ways on how to engage our audience. Kasi naniniwala ako na yung mga manonood natin, nag-aantay lang talaga sila ng talagang material na gugustuhin nila. Kasi, I know, may tiwala, may believe sila sa talentong Pilipino, di ba? Kailangan ng talagang swak na swak para sa kanila. And magsisimula yun sa isang napakagandang kwento na hindi mo sasadyain dapat para lang magustuhan nila. Kailangan to its score, ginawa mo talaga siya dahil yun talaga yung gusto mong sabihin sa lipunan. Kagaya ng ginagawa ni Direk Irene.
So, lastly na lang, since veteran na kayo sa industriya, so what did you learn from the film, working with the crew, with Direk Irene?
So medyo technical siya.
Yeah.
So nag-introduce kasi siya ng mga bagong ways of filming. So, ang ganda dahil parang kung nakasanayan siguro kayo, or siguro yung mga nasa film crew natin, medyo, ano to, mga bagong system. Pero as actors, na-appreciate namin siya dahil mas napadali yung trabaho namin and naging mas efficient siya. So, may mga ganitong bagay, mga bagong mga and kudos to Direk for introducing these new things to us. Kasi syempre sana
Last 2
matuto rin
minutes
yung ibang
for
filmmakers.
round
Yung
number
filmmakers,
6
di ba na
of
sundin
our
din.
speed dating.
Message nyo na lang po sa upcoming movie nyo na
We'd like to invite everyone to experience this beautiful story. It's opening in June 11 all over the Philippines, and it will also have international screenings in other parts of the world.
Miss Charo, singit ko lang, maraming nag-e-enjoy na nasa TikTok era.
oo nga daw pala.
Your thoughts
Charo.
lang po na seeing a veteran TV executive doing TikToks and social media games, how do you feel about that?
I'm having fun, actually. I'm enjoying it, and nakakatawa that you get very encouraging feedback na hindi ko naman masyadong overthink ang mga ginagawa ko. I just follow my gut. Yeah, I follow my gut. When I'm not ready, then I won't do it. But if and when I'm ready and I go for it, I give it my all.
Ang cute nga nung TikTok niyo ni Dong eh. Di ba may entry kayo?
Yung
Madami.
Sa sobrang dami.
Yung anxiety.
Oo, anxiety, diba? And you enjoy doing it naturally.
We are so sorry to cut things short. Nakita po natin yung conversation for round number 6. But Betty, Ryan, and Direk Irene, their speed dating has now ended.
Photo niyo po tatlo.
Thank you so much to Betty, Ryan, and Direk Irene. Grabe for entertaining all of our friends from the media. Siyempre, thank you as well to our friends from the media and press for being taking the time to be here and who have prepared amazing questions for our cast. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to read all of your articles.
Okay po.
Ay, ako, babe.
So po, once again po,
patayot sa pahiga.
Okay po.
Ako rin, ma'am, sir.
Dito po. 1, 2.
Thank you
Alright, now we would like to call on once again our cast and Direct Irene to join us back on stage for a final photo op. Again, our dynamic trio, Ma'am Charo Santos, Sir Lino Dantes, and Direct Irene Emma Villamor. Congratulations. I'm so excited to I can't wait to know what is going on with Betty and Ryan. Yan ang tanong na buong mundo. What is the stats? So again, we will be inviting our cast and director to join us on stage for a final photo op for our press. Also to our team Bahay, thank you guys so much for joining us for this live stream or for our launch event of Only We Know.
Masaya na kwento. Hindi, wala na.
There you go.
Huwag na doon.
One last final photo op. Our friends from media will be together both here in front.
May ganun sila.
Mamaya upo ulit sila Ma'am Charo dito. Kwentuhan lang.
Gusto mo yung hobby.
Ito bang i-video niya? Dito muna tayo.
Alright, presenting again, our dynamic trio of Only We Know, Direct Irene, Ma'am Charo, and of course Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. There you go. One last final photo op for our friends from the media. Thank you guys so much. Again, we would like to thank our friends from the media and press for joining us for our launch event. Okay, once again, let's give it up for Direct Irene Villamor, Ma'am Charo Santos, and Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, our cast and our director, and of course our writer as well. Of Only We Know. Friends from the media, let's give them a big, big hand. Thank you so much. Yes, there you go. Okay, Direct, Ma'am Charo, and Sir Ding Dong, last message for our friends from the media. But before that, how was the speed dating experience po?
Kaka-pressure. Kaka-pressure pala yung speed dating. Pero, yeah, masaya.
10 minutes per table or per couch lang po. Ma'am Charo and Sir Ding Dong, is there anything that you guys learned from this speed date?
Bitin ang oras. Ang dami pang pwedeng pagkwentuhan pero also parang we don't want to also parang give too much information about the film. That's why we can't wait for everyone to watch it. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagdating ninyo. Please help us spread the word and yeah, ako personally na-enjoy ko yung speed dating na yun.
Yes, oo. It's more intimate. Oo. Pero bitin nga. Bitin. Kulang ang oras. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo sa aming launch ng film ng Only We Know. Thank you very much for your support. I hope you get to watch the movie and spread the word. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again to all of our friends from the media and press who attended our launch event, and to ABS-CBN Corporation Communications for helping Star Cinema in inviting them. Ayan, sabay-sabay natin panoorin ang Only We Know, showing exclusively in cinemas worldwide starting June 11 in the Philippines, June 12 in Australia and New Zealand, June 13 in the USA, Canada and Guam, June 19 naman in UAE, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Singapore, Malaysia, and Brunei, and in cinemas in Hong Kong, Macau, and many more soon this June 20 2025. Don't forget to follow us on Star Cinema pages or visit mytfc.com for the theater list and international screening updates. Again, this film is written and directed by Direk Irene Emma Villamor, starring Ma'am Charo Santos and Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Ayan, also starring Altan Tai, Charmaine Buencamino. We also have with us Yan, Isabel Oli, Hil Cuerva, yes. And this is also produced by Cornerstone Studios, Agosto Dos Pictures, Star Cinema, and 7K Entertainment. Yan, rated PG po ito. So for those of you who wanna bring or go on a date with your loved ones or yung situationships nila, don't forget that is happening po on June 11 and our celebrity premiere po this June 10 sa SM Mega Mall. Kaya naman Ma'am Charo and Mr. Ding Dong Direct, do you have anyone that you would like to thank?
Well, thank you to Lux Coffee Gold. I think we have some gifts for our friends in media.
Yes, maraming salamat din sa Avignon, sa Travertine, Caltex, and JC Premier Barley. Maraming salamat for supporting today's event.
So this has been your Only We Know launch event host. My name is Ayana Perlas. Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight and we'll see you guys at the cinemas very soon. Again, June 10 ang celebrity premiere po namin sa SM Mega Mall. One last time for our director, Direk Irene, Ma'am Charo, and Mr. Ding Dong. Let's give them a hand. Thank you, Team Bahay, for joining us. Thank you, everyone.
Ano